One of the most annoying parts of running a service-based business is getting a contract signed and then chasing the client down separately to get their payment information. They sign, they're excited, then you send a follow-up asking for a card, and suddenly, things go quiet. There's a card details field you can add directly to your documents and contracts in HighLevel. The client fills it out as part of the document and their card gets saved on file. So by the time they're done signing, you've already got what you need to bill them. Here's a quick scenario. You're a marketing consultant. You've got a service agreement you send to every new client before the project kicks off. You want their card and file so you can invoice them automatically each month without chasing anyone down. That's what we're setting up. Let's get into it. One thing to confirm before you build this out, you do need an active payment provider connected to your sub-account, and not all payment providers are currently supported with this feature. We'll start by going to Payments in the left-hand menu bar, then Documents and Contracts in the top menu. We'll open the document you want to add this to. I'm going into my service agreement template. Then, inside the document builder, we'll click the plus add element on the left side of the screen. Under the fillable field section, we're looking for card details. We'll click on card details and drag and drop it into the document wherever you want it to appear. I'm putting it toward the bottom right under the signature block. Then we'll click on the field to open the properties panel on the right. We'll have 3 settings to configure here. To be filled by, this is assigning to the correct signer. If you've got a multi-signer document, make sure it's assigned to the right person because this is who is going to fill it out. Required. I recommend toggling this on. You want card details locked in before they can finish the document. If it's optional, people can skip it. If it's required, they must complete it before moving on. Placeholder. This is the label the assigner sees on the field. The default is provide card details. You can leave it as is or customize it. I usually just leave it. That's it for configuration. Save the document or template. Now, when your client opens the document and clicks Start Filling Out, they work through the fields like normal. When they hit the card details field, a secure card entry modal pops up with their card number, expiration date, etc. They enter their info, click Add, and see a confirmation that the card was saved on file. Then they keep going and finish the document. From their side, it's one seamless experience. Sign the contract, save a card, and done. They never leave the document to do it. This is the thing that people get confused on, so I want to be super clear about it. The card details field saves the card. It does not charge the card at the time of signing. No payment is collected when the document is completed. This is specifically for getting a card on file so you can bill them later. In our consulting agreement scenario, the client signs the agreement, card gets saved, and then you send monthly invoices that auto charge against that saved card. There's no chasing, no separate card collection, and no drop-off. That's the card details field in Documents and Contracts. Add it from the element panel, assign it to the right signer, mark it required, confirm your payment provider is connected, and send. Client fills it in as part of signing, and the card is saved by the time they're done. For any service business that's sending contracts before they start work, this closes the gap between they signed and I have their payment method. Those should happen at the same time, and now they can.